Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a new Trust wallet. So at first you need to click on create a new wallet and then you have to set a password. So we're going to do that really quickly. And then click on I have read and agree and then next. And then let's say we don't want to share our data, so we'll click on that. As you can see, your wallet is ready to use and we can just click on wallet and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this and I'll see you guys in the next one.